Good morning. So I'm really excited for my weekend. Earlier this week I decided, you know what, I need a bit of a break. I need to get out of the hustle and bustle of city life. So I booked myself a hotel in the Veluwe. And the Veluwe is like a combination of all these different national parks here in the Netherlands and some other nature areas. It's about an hour's east drive from Amsterdam. So I thought that would be the ideal place to go and book myself a hotel. I'm going to be walking the whole weekend, taking some time for myself, hanging out. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. Before I do that, I need to finish packing, bike to my parents' place, pick up the car, come back, pick up my bags, and then I can get going. So. So after a very nice bike through the fields again and a very warm welcome from my parents' dogs, I've got the car keys so I can go get my bags. And then we can head off. So I've just arrived at Deelerwoud, which is a forest area. Before I came here, I looked online for different walks that I could be doing. I really wanted to go do a long one, but as I got here, I can't really find the signs on where I can do which walk. So I just started walking. I'm not quite sure where it's going to take me, but as I can see now, I think this is going to be a lovely walk in the forest. Just what I need. So I'm really glad with this walk. First of all, I walked a bit through the forest. Now I'm walking over the heide, which in Dutch means the heather region. And it's really nice to be out in open space. When I was here at the start of September, the heather was still fully in bloom, so everything was bright purple. But now, of course, with autumn, everything is starting to go brown and leaves are falling off the tree. The heather is brown as well, and it's just such a different sight. I'm really enjoying this. I started to get quite worried during my walk because I knew that the blue trail went from where I had parked the car. But then as I was walking the blue trail, I decided, I'm going to go onto the green trail because I think they'll be a bit longer. But then I got lost. Luckily, I found an older couple and they told me to take the shortcut back to where I had to be was the bike path, the long bike path. So I walked that for quite a while. But then I got to the end point of the bike path and it wasn't where my car was parked. Luckily, I was able to figure out the last part because I did know I was sort of in the area, but I wasn't there yet. So I walked an extra half hour now. Luckily, I'm back at the car. Overall, I did have a very good walk. And now I'm going to head off to the hotel, check in, go chill out a bit, and check if the swimming pool is open.
My heart's been ripped wide open. So many mixed emotions. It's like I finally noticed I've been set free. I've been set free. I spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become if I...
So as you can see, I've got my face mask on. So I got back to the hotel, checked in, came to my room, and I was so tired. And I had brought my bikini because I know that they have a swimming pool here. But I didn't want to go swimming, and I was like, come on, Rach, you know, you paid for this. So I got my bikini on, went down. I've had a swim now. I went into the sauna, which is actually all very lovely. Had a shower, got into my PJs. So I'm chilling. I've just ordered room service, so I'm going to have a nice dinner. And then after that, I'm going to just read my book and hang out and chill a bit, have some me time. And then tomorrow morning early, I'm going to get up and go walk. Actually, a lot of the walking routes start from this hotel because it's also all located, in the area called the Veluwe. So a lot of the routes start here. And I really want to go with the very early morning and hopefully see some more animals. So we'll see. But for now, just time to chill. I had a super awesome day. And I can't wait for tomorrow.
Now my whole world's in motion. I feel like Fred, but in my neighborhood. Yeah. Call me and I will make sure to set you free. To set you free. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you.
Good morning. So I checked out of my hotel this morning. Got a map from the lady at the reception for a very nice walk. Apparently the walk goes past a 1,000-year-old tree that fell down, and it's going to be a completely different type of route than I saw yesterday in the Deelerwoud. What I forgot to mention yesterday is the Scottish Highlanders at the Deelerwoud that are on the heath. They are there because the grass grows too quickly, especially in the summer months. So the Scottish Highlanders are there to eat the grass so that the heath still stays healthy, which is great. So today I'm going to be seeing a lot of nice trees and also like a creek. So I'm really, really curious. It's been great to go on a weekend like this. I think it's really important for us to sometimes get out of our daily lives and just retreat into nature, even as like just if you're on your own, to just reconnect with yourself, reconnect with some tranquility, and get ready for the hustle and bustle of life again.
I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that 2 a.m. phone call when you need one. When everything in life is getting harder to shoulder, I'll be your soldier. My heart's been ripping wide open. Open, 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 wide open.
So I'm back at the car a little bit earlier than planned. The route was going to take me like past a hotel, round the back again, and then, all the way back to where I parked my car. So I thought, I've already enjoyed this bit of the walk quite a bit anyways. Instead of doing that, I'm going to go back to the car, and now I want to head off somewhere else and do another walk. Just to switch it up a bit. I thought while I'm here, why not have 3 walks? So that's what I'm going to do now. And then after that walk, I think it's time to head off home again. home sweet home. The last walk that I did was the Planken Wambuis, which was very, very nice. It was an 8.4 kilometer walk. All in all, I think I had a very successful weekend. I had 3 awesome walks. Just got time to be with myself, be outside, just enjoy the view. I think that we could all use a bit more of that in our lives, especially now that everything is so stressful and things are uncertain. I think a little break from our daily routine to just go out and enjoy the small things is extremely important. So